dot, polka dot, polka dot. Polka dot shorts? No. Let's jump into the price action of Polkadot. Looking for some levels to DCA on dot. Well, we've done the TA, so you don't have to. Where can we look for a pullback on dot? Now we can see we have gotten a beautiful downtrend breakout, which we are flagging in and looking for a retracement where we can accumulate dot. Okay, so we have gone through, we have gotten the levels for you, we've pulled the volume, and we have done some TA so you don't have to. Okay, so looking at dot objectively, we can pull the volume straight across here and we can see that we have some very key levels indeed. Okay, so we're going to mark these out for us where we can look for price to have a reaction. You can see the outside and the inside, and also where we have come down to for key levels of support and resistance where we're looking for a price to retrace. Okay, so we've added these levels for you guys so you don't have to, and we can help you guys be profitable by getting a cheaper price in the dot price. Now, what are these levels? Well, they're key volume areas, there's support and resistance, there's levels of confluence, so that we know that if price comes down to these levels, we can be looking for a bounce and a possible continuation to the upside, because we've had a massive push up. We're looking for the bounce from one of these key levels so that we can accumulate on spot and look to buy Polkadot at a cheaper level. Now we're at around $5.20. So where are we looking? Well, we can see that we've had the downtrend. We have key levels. Where are these key levels? Where can we look? Okay, so as we go through here, we can add them to our charts, and we're going to simply just look for the price to come back down to these levels. Now, your key level here, in my opinion, make or break, is going to be $4 and let's say 50 cents. But if you think it's going to go down to 50 cents and it gets down to here, or just misses it, and it comes to $4.60, well, then you're going to regret it. So front run these a little bit. I would add a little bit to whatever price these are. So instead of $4.60, go 70 cents, right? And make sure that you do get that entry, right? Because the whole point of this is to catch these wicks down. Now, if you had added these levels prior to this, you can see you get these massive wicks down, right? So let's adjust to those massive wick downs. You'll bring this up to here. You'll go to $4.40. Now we know we would have caught that, right? So you add these confluence of support and resistance. You can add another one here. You can see there's resistance, support, resistance. So we add this to our charts as well. Let's make it gray so it's more visible, but we know these are secondary areas where we're looking. We know we need to hold this $5 area. That's so psychological. However, if we do drop from here and we do work our way down, we can look for price to bounce off of these levels. So make sure to add these levels to limit spot orders, not financial advice. However, we want to make sure that we're prepared for anything, okay? So thank you so much for being here. Join us in the free Discord. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and throw a coin in the chat down below if you want me to look at something. I'd be glad to do it for you, okay? Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.